excited. Little excited. May not be as exciting for you as it is for me, but you'll get there. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julie and I'm the founder and owner of an art studio in Miami called Mosaic. For over 20 years, I've had the honor of creating mosaic artwork for clients such as Mercedes-Benz, Lauren's Kids, and private collectors. I've also been featured in the Not Wedding Pages magazine as well as the Miami Herald. I've also had the thrill of teaching students just like you how to create mosaic art. And now through the power of video and YouTube, I can create mosaics with you as well. This has been a dream of mine for quite some time. My mission for this channel is to significantly reduce your learning curve when it comes to starting and creating mosaic art. At one point I was just like you. I was starting out, didn't really know what I was doing, didn't have any formal training, and then I wanted to progress in my artwork. I didn't know how to progress. I didn't have anybody to turn to. And that's what I want to be for you. I want to help you. I want to guide you in this process so that you have the confidence you can do this. We're going to go through the steps, we're going to get it down, and we're going to have fun along the way. You'll have access to my 20+ years of experience in bite-sized chunks. My goal is to pack as much information as possible into each video. We're going to talk about things such as specific projects, tips, tricks, materials, adhesives, hand tools, power tools, mistakes, and solutions. I'll even bring you behind the scenes in the studio as well as travel vlogs so that we can discover mosaics together. So here are the details. We'll meet right here on the second and fourth Tuesday of every month at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US. I'll also upload bonus videos in between that time, so make sure you subscribe down below and ring the bell notification so you never miss a single upload. Share it with your friends and family too. Let's all learn a new skill together. Let me know in the comments down below where you're watching from. I can't wait to get to know you and help you in your mosaic journey. See you soon.